6 News Storm Team.
And welcome back, everyone. It is 5:17 a.m. and looking here in the capital city, we are starting to see our clouds increasing around here with a temperature at 67 degrees and the visibility at 7 miles. Now, we do have some thunderstorms in portions of our viewing area this morning in the southern portions of our viewing area, and also some more lighter moderate rainfall in the southwestern areas. So let's dive in a little deeper, shall we, on these storms. Near the Elgin area, we're really starting to see those thunderstorms really starting to congeal a little bit more, and just around the border of the state of North and South Dakota, we're continuing to see this thunderstorm development, and this is just going to continue to move its way towards the north over time, and some small hail and gusty winds are quite possible in some of these storms. We had some weather spotters kind of confirm that this morning, so that's something to really watch out for. Now, as far as our visibility, we are seeing a little bit of that fog this morning in our north and eastern areas, but again, it's not as widespread as what we were seeing yesterday, which is really good news. But if you're in these areas, make sure that you are traveling safely, especially there in Rolla at 0.3 miles. Now, looking ahead throughout the rest of the day today, folks, we will be seeing those severe weather chances around here, and along with that, we do have the chance of seeing some breezy winds and also cooler temperatures. Now, we do have that level 2 slight chance of severe weather through a good deal of our viewing area. And what does this mean? Well, we do have the potential of seeing some damaging winds up to 70 miles per hour. That's one threat. And another threat is the large hail, a size of golf balls at times possible. So this is something that we're going to be watching very closely, and also a low end chance of a tornado. So we're going to be watching that too. So again, make sure you have that KX Storm Team map on hand, and we will continue to keep you posted here on air and online. Now, looking at our timeline here, this is 5 o'clock this morning, and we're going to continue to see these thunderstorms developing in the southern portions of our viewing area. This will just give us locally heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and maybe some small hail and gusty winds, and that's going to be pulling through around our 1 o'clock hour. Then we're going to be seeing more development in the western side of the viewing area by 5, and that's going to be pushing its way towards the east around 9, and then once we get into around 1 and 5 o'clock tonight, that is where those conditions will start to improve. And our winds right now are quite on the breezy side this morning, around 5 to 15 miles per hour, and that is going to increase throughout the day today into around 20 to 30 miles per hour potentially, and that's going to continue into the afternoon and evening hours and kind of subside once we get into the overnight hours. And our current temperatures right now are mainly in the 60s, and throughout the rest of the day today, we will see those temperatures increase into the 70s and the 80s, so it's going to be cooler than what we were seeing yesterday. Now, looking here in Williston, we will see those temperatures increase through our Thursday into the low 90s by Thursday, and then we'll see a cold front move through Thursday night to Friday, and that could bring us some more severe weather, and we will see those temperatures drop down into the 70s by Friday and Saturday. And that same thing here goes for the Dickinson area too, with upper 70s by Friday. Now, here in the Magic City, we're going to be seeing temperatures in the 80s today, 80s tomorrow, and then 80s on Thursday, and then we're going to be seeing 70s as we get into our Friday and into our weekend and early next week. And that same thing goes here in the capital city too. So chance we're going to be watching for those thunderstorm chances throughout the day today.
Yep, a lot going on over the course of the next few hours. Thanks, Andre. Still to come on Good Day Dakota, historic small town